So here's how to connect Android Auto without a cable. It's a quite simple thing. So for that reason, go with the settings on your mobile phone and then go with the connection or connected device option. Then again, scroll it down and you'll find out the Android Auto right over here. And then simply tap on the connected vehicle option. And now it is showing us to connect your Android Auto with a cable, but we don't need that. You can simply tap on this option, connect using wireless Android Auto. So you need to tap on that and then again connect using Bluetooth. So tap on the connect using Bluetooth, then again go with the pair vehicle. Then you can find out the vehicle in available device like that, and then again simply tap on these to connect your device first and then go back and it will show up here. So that's how you can simply connect Android Auto without a cable. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.